Good day, ito po ang aming equipment sa LCC Legazpi. Ito po ang aming portrait TV, working at updated ang mga ads. Ito naman po ang landscape TV, working at updated ang mga ads. 30cm DTF machine, working. Embroidery dual head, working. 2-feet sublimation machine, working. Epson pigment printer, working. Silhouette cutter, working. PC sa graphic 1, working. PC sa graphic 2, ginagamit sa pag-program, working. PC sa cashier area, working. PC sa sublimation, working. And PC sa DTF machine, working. Heat press swing type, working. Sliding dual heat press, working. Ito naman ang aming mag press, working. At ito po ang cap press, working. CCTV sa cashier area, working. CCTV sa harap, working. CCTV sa likod, working. CCTV sa stock room, working. Ito naman po ang CCTV monitor, working.